All right, guys, it is iPhone 16 day, and you know what we have to do. Before we can do anything with the phone, we gotta put a screen protector on there. And today we are looking at the Benks GlassWarrior Screen Protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And a huge shout out to Benks for sending this over to me to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, starting off with the box, we do have a picture of the screen protector there. It is a sapphire coated screen protector with 9H hardness, and it does have HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, and scratch resistance. Now, I don't know about explosion proof. I guess they mean like, you know, when you hit it with something for it to shatter. Explosion proof is a little wild, but anyways, it is for the 16 Pro Max. Looking at the back, it does have strengthened dust proof, enhanced impact resistance, responsive touch, smooth hand sensation, full coverage protection, and anti-fingerprinting. So this thing is a really good screen protector. I have been using Benks screen protectors for a few years now, and they are very, very good. This one should be no different. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, taking a look at what we get inside, first thing you are greeted with, let's go ahead and set the box over there. First thing you are greeted with is this nice big dust removal sticker. Now, I love getting these because it covers the entire front of the phone, so you don't have to use those little tiny stickers and go all over the place. So that's always really nice to see. You do get a little applicator stand, so you just lay the phone here on this foam pad, and that way it doesn't slide around or bounce around, wobble, anything like that. You are going to get your screen protector, and it is only going to come with that one screen protector in here. Then you get your installation kit here and some instructions right there on how to do it. Now, if you guys don't really know how to, feel free to look at the instructions or just watch the video and I'll show you. So let's go ahead and put all of this off to the side and see what we get in the installation kit. So taking a look inside of here, let's see, let's dump all the contents out of here and make sure there's nothing in there. Nothing in there. Put that over there. All right, so we do have a Benks microfiber cleaning cloth. You're going to get your clean wipe, and you're going to get these little small dust removal stickers as well for the little, you know, corners and things like that. Or if you do get some dust underneath your screen protector, you can peel it up a little bit, stick one of these stickers in there, tap it out, put it back, and you'll be good to go. So let's kind of get things a little bit cleaned up here and take a look. Now, I am going to be installing this on the black titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you guys want to see my unboxing video of all iPhone 16 Pro Max colors, I'll leave that video right there at the end of the video. But anyways, we will be installing it here. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I am going to fast forward through some of this stuff just so the video is not crazy long. Now, before we get started, the price on this one is $32.99 on Benks' website. I do have a discount code, which I'll leave right here. Use code Brian15 to save yourself 15% off. And when it does, or if it does become available on Amazon, I'll be sure to update the links to this video. But either way, let's get started. So first we're going to take this, I was about to say microfiber cleaning cloth. I'm a little bit rusty. This is the cleaning wipe here. I don't know why I was going to say microfiber. I guess because I'm looking at it there. But we'll take the cleansing wipe and get the screen wiped down. All right, now that we have that, let's just go ahead and take our microfiber cleaning cloth here and get all the moisture off of here. Make sure we don't have any moisture, no spit, no nothing like that. I don't know what you guys keep on your phones or you have on your phone screen. I'm not one to judge, but let's go ahead and wipe that down real quick. All right, next we're gonna take this nice big, pause, hold on. We're gonna take this dust removal sticker and we're gonna put it onto the screen here. Make sure we get all that dust off of here. Now, it looks like it doesn't cover the whole screen of the phone. Maybe this one was meant to be for like the 15 Pro Max because this is a little bit longer, but let's see. That's okay. We'll make sure we get all the dust off. All right, and now we'll just take our screen protector out of here, and all you do is you take it and you put the top of it, which is right here, towards the screen. And here it says, press here to expel air. So now we're gonna go ahead and put that on top. Okay, make sure you have it all nice and aligned. And all you do from here is just, you pull this. Now, it does give you steps. So it says step 1 right here, you're gonna pull that. Step 2, you're gonna push these little pieces down right there. Step 3, you're gonna push these pieces down and lift. All right, so let me get that centered right there. Okay, so step 1, let's go ahead and pull this off. Just be patient, take your time with everything. All right, step 1 is done, okay? Step number 2, we're going to go ahead and pull these down right there. All right, and then move over here to step 3, pull those down, and it should be adhering now to the screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait about 30 seconds, let this adhere, then we're going to come out and, get rid of all the stuff. Now, I didn't see this coming with a squeegee. Let me just double check. I didn't see a squeegee with this, which is kind of surprising to me. Yeah, no squeegee. Huh, okay. Well, the good news is I do have another squeegee here. So we'll come back in 30 seconds and we will get to it. All right, so it has been those 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and lift this off and see what we are working with. So I'm just going to go ahead and carefully try to kind of get this off without making sure we don't peel anything up. Take that applicator off, and let's set this over here and take a look. Now, we do have a little bit of air bubbles, but that is normal to just get that. You're going to squeegee them out. As long as there's no dust underneath, you will be good to go. So let's go ahead and peel that up. Here we go. And it's not too bad with the bubbles. So let's go ahead and you just kind of take these, you work them out towards the sides. No big deal. Now, I may fast forward through this again as well, just to kind of not take up too much time. All right, so we have squeegeed most of the air bubbles out. Now you just kind of take your thumb and your microfiber cleaning cloth and you just kind of give it a little bit of elbow grease. Get everything nice and stuck down there to the bottom. Make sure it looks all good. It looks like we are good to go. I mean, it says the bubble-free installation, but you got to also understand that sometimes it doesn't stick the same exact way all the way across. You do kind of lay the glass down and it starts sticking from the middle. So some places may have a little more air, but it's not to worry. You didn't do anything wrong. Everything is fine and good to go. We are completely bubble-free. And here we go. That is what we are looking like right there. Now, Benks makes some excellent screen protectors. This one is going to be no different. It's going to look great. Everything is going to be fine. Now, like I said, I haven't even set this one up yet. And, I mean, screen protector first, guys. Look at that. It's not even set up. Screen protector is always, always first. But yeah, you get that really good screen protector. You're going to get that natural feeling. So it's going to pretty much feel just like your iPhone glass. And Benks does a great job with that. It is a super strong screen protector. I've been using Benks screen protectors for a long time, just like I said, and they're always really, really good. This one is going to be no different. So I definitely recommend the Benks GlassWarrior Screen Protector, and that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Benks GlassWarrior Screen Protector down in the comments below. Have you ever tried it? Have you ever tried any Benks screen protectors? And what are your favorite screen protectors? I'm really curious. Let me know down below. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see my unboxing of all 4 iPhone colors, like I said, that'll be right there. If you want to see another great screen protector option, that'll be right there.